In our world, a parent's love is considered the most sacred bond in nature. We see birds tirelessly feeding their chicks and lions fiercely protecting their cubs. But there is a dark, unsettling side to the animal kingdom that defies everything we think we know about parenting. Sometimes, a mother or father will turn on their own offspring and consume them. It sounds like a horror movie, but in the wild, this behavior, known as filial cannibalism, is actually a calculated survival strategy. Why would nature allow something that seems so counterproductive to the survival of a species? Today, we are uncovering the cold, biological reasons why some animals eat their own children. To understand this behavior, we have to stop looking through a human lens of morality and start looking at the math of survival. The most common reason for an animal to eat its young is energy and nutrition. In a world where food is scarce, a parent may realize they don't have enough resources to keep the entire litter alive. If a mother is starving, she cannot produce milk or hunt for her babies. By eating one or two of her offspring, she gains the calories needed to survive and continue caring for the rest. For species like hamsters or certain types of birds, this is a desperate way to ensure that at least a few children make it to adulthood, rather than the entire group dying of hunger. Another reason is culling the weak. Animals are masters at detecting flaws that we might not see. If a baby is born sick, deformed, or too weak to survive the harsh realities of the wild, the parent may consume it. This serves two purposes. First, it prevents the spread of potential diseases to the healthy siblings. Second, it ensures that no energy is wasted on an individual that won't survive to pass on its genes. In the brutal logic of evolution, it is better to recycle those nutrients back into the parent's body than to let them go to waste or attract predators to the nest. In the world of fish and insects, the reasons can be even more mathematical. Some fish, like the sand goby, lay thousands of eggs. If the nest becomes too crowded, the oxygen levels drop, threatening every single egg. To save the majority, the father may eat some of the eggs to improve the airflow and oxygen for the others. It is a grim trade-off: sacrifice a few to save the many. For these creatures, parenting isn't about individual bonds. It's about the successful birth of the next generation at any cost. Then, there is the most violent form of this behavior, often seen in lions or bears, which is driven by sexual competition. When a new male lion takes over a pride, he will often kill and eat the existing cubs. While this is terrifying, the biological motive is clear. The new male wants to father his own children immediately. By removing the current cubs, the females become ready to mate again much sooner. This ensures that the new leader's genes are the ones that survive, effectively wiping out the legacy of his predecessor. Ultimately, filial cannibalism reminds us that nature is not sentimental, it is efficient. What looks like cruelty to us is often a sophisticated way to manage resources, maintain health, and ensure the long-term survival of a species under extreme pressure. It is a reminder that in the wild, the goal isn't just to be a parent, but to be a successful ancestor. If you found this deep dive into nature's darkest strategies fascinating, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Does knowing the science make this behavior easier to understand? Don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more untold stories from the natural world. Thanks for watching.